you recording this?
No. Just chop. Let me see. I want to chop.
Why are you recording?
I just want to see you chop. Come on.
I'm just trying to make breakfast. Why are you making this entire YouTube video?
Who says it's a YouTube video? I want memories to keep of you. I come up here and look who's in my kitchen just chopping away. Stop, chop. Let me see your knife skills. Let me see if you have knife skills. Nice, very nice. Who got knife skills? You don't know? Oh my God. Kylan got knife skills and he don't want me to show it. When my baby made breakfast, but I'm supposed to be on a juice, all juice diet for 3 days. Looks really good though. Here we go. Maybe I can pause the juice diet just a wee bit. Here we go.